A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. It has been confirmed by Comrade Ostalos, the Deputy Spokesperson of Citizens Coalition for Change. He says all roads lead to Chitungwiza this Sunday as President Nelson Chamisa will address the nation on Sunday, 17 December. Venue is Chibuku Stadium. Be there. So yesterday we reported about this very important information, and a lot of people were actually bashing us. But it's now out publicly that Nelson Chamisa will be addressing people and supporters in Chibuku Stadium in Chitungwiza. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. Ngative tiri ikoko munhu wese tiri kutaiwaka, munhu wese ngaange ari panzvimbo tichisangana nemutungamiriri wenyika mutsva tichinzwa kuti zvinhu zvacho zvinenge zvichimbofamba sei. A lot of people actually asking questions kuti what is the position of Triple C? What is Nelson Chamisa's next move? And you have been given this opportunity to know from the horse's mouth what needs to be done. This is a clear confirmation kuti Nelson Chamisa is safe. To those who are saying Nelson Chamisa is not safe, blah 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 blah, kuswera mangwana on Sunday you will be addressing Zimbabwe from Chibuku Stadium. So to those who are around, to those who can, please, you have to travel. You have to be there in Harare and make sure that you take part of that rally. It's a very important rally, the end of year rally, and at this critical moment, we hope to hear President Nelson Chamisa addressing the nation and addressing key issues, very important issues. So it is what it is. Let us meet in Chitungwiza on Sunday. Blessed Sunday.